It's deep.
Gotta be.
I see that lead line. Looks like she's coming up kind of straight down.
You got him, you got him.
How many was in that bunch there, Wiley?
That many? Go forward, go around the side.
Y'all are gonna get me in trouble back in here.
Y'all need a power roller.
Come rope. I've had it.
Serious?
30 more yards. Bullshit.
Oh, 100 yards all day. They just let me have that much net in Florida, I'll be shining.
Be careful what you wish for, right?
Yeah, I wish they let us have it.
I'm messed up, run short on that bad.
It's alright, we got charge of fish here. Trying to get the net closed.
Yeah, I run short bad.
Our whole net's frying.
Y'all coming this way, I wish they'd go that way.
I knew we were taking in all we wanted. This was a huge bunch of fish. We probably only took in about 10% what was there and only catch about 10% of what we took in. Still gonna have all we want.
We took in over 10,000.
Hitting the boat.
I bet his head hurt.
Yeah, I guarantee it.
Unreal. I almost had him. They sunk that outside.
We got their ass, bro.
Yeah, they sunk it.
Current here, huh? Any current?
No, none at all.
That was the meatball right there. They sunk the whole net. We're gonna rope this, or?
Yep, we're gonna have to. Or we can pick it. Hell, let's pick it.
I guess a boatload of mullet.
We got some boatload of mess is what we got.
And the mullet sucked our net together. Now I gotta figure out how to get all this on board. Shine right in there, that's the meat. tied our net up. Got about 100 yards here in a ball. Well, we made it back to the dock. Yeah, all our little blow to haul. Plus we got truckload. Nice load in the truck. A nice load in the boat. I gotta get some clearing to do. Time to go pick them. He's roughed up a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you've been playing. Well, that's a big speedboat hit him. There's shortages of certain fish. Them cormorants ate them all. Charge of birds, man. Yeah, it's thousands of them. Imagine how many speckled trout they eat.
I wonder if gray trout can even survive. That's why we don't have any gray trout.
Yeah, spinning.
Gray trout from down the beach, man, you gotta see 'em.
I've only videoed half of them. It's already been over almost 2 minutes of solid birds going by. Yep, she smoked. Oh. Move it out as I go. Walking down our net here. Unreal bunch of fish. I got 3,000 pounds. Not that impressive in the camera. Jump down.
Still coming down the shore.
Yeah. Big old mullet. Yeah, 3 wild pigs, North Carolina. People say there's shortages of fish. This is vats and vats of mullet. Here's some sharks. Here's some vats and vats of spots that needs some more ice put on them. And a giant mullet.